Hello, today I'm going to show you how to relearn your TPMS on an Audi A3 or A3 Sportback. So let's have a seat. Yeah, here we are. We are going to see in the display that our TPMS has some failure. So now we are going to relearn it. Then the failure will be gone. Because we are controlled our air pressure inside our rims, so that will be a new programmation. So we can navigate with the computer system in your Audi system. Navigation, media, radio, tone, car. Let's go to car. And now, service and maintenance. This is set up now on the right side. So there you can see tire pressure control system. Now, let's store the tire pressure monitoring system. Take yes, I agree, and job's done. Now, the tire pressure monitoring system has been stored again. That means the new pressure is stored in the system. And you can see no TPMS light is on right now. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.